Hello, my name is David, and today we will be creating Defeated Kirby from Kirby Mass Attack. So first, to create the body, I will just take a tinfoil ball base and wrap it in some gray clay, and then poke 2 holes for the wing holes, and then smooth on 2 little other gray balls of clay to make his little hands. And then for his eyes, I take a long black pipe of clay and cut it into 2 equal little snips, and then bend the pipes down and place them here and here to make his closed eyes. And then for the mouth, I just flatten a black ball of clay. And then for the blush, I take 2 darker gray clay pieces and then turn them into ovals and put them here and here. For the wings, I take white clay. I basically just make an oval, and then I indent 2 little places into it, kind of morph it into wings, and then poke toothpicks into them to stick them into the back to make his little angel wings. And then for his feet, I'm gonna be just taking 2 darker gray ovals and then bending them down. And yeah, that's how you make Defeated Kirby from Kirby Mass Attack.